The sun, a dying ember in the Florida sky, casts long skeletal shadows. One shadow stretches further, darker than the rest. It originates from the heart of the Everglades, from a structure consumed by vines and suffocated by time. This is no ordinary ruin. This is a house of sorrow, a sanctuary for the unseen. This is the Blackwood Manor. Locals whisper tales, their voices hushed, faces pale. Stories of children who vanished, of families driven to madness. The Blackwood Manor doesn't just stand on the edge of the Everglades. It stands on the precipice of our darkest fears. Built in the late 1800s, Blackwood Manor was once a grand estate, a symbol of wealth and prosperity. The Blackwood family, however, harbored a dark secret. Jealousy, betrayal, and ultimately murder stained the manor's history. Legend claims the patriarch, driven mad by greed, took the lives of his wife and children within those very walls. Unable to live with his sins, he followed suit, ending his own life on the grand staircase. The Blackwood family was gone, but their malevolence seeped into the foundation of the manor, a permanent stain. The air hangs heavy around Blackwood Manor, thick with humidity and the weight of unspeakable acts. The once grand facade crumbles, revealing the skeletal frame of a house consumed by its past. Step inside and you enter a realm untouched by time, yet ravaged by it. Dust coats every surface, a shroud over forgotten memories. Floorboards groan underfoot, each creak an echoing whisper. The scent of mildew mixes with something else, something ancient and cold, the perfume of despair. They say the house remembers. They say the walls whisper the Blackwood family's anguish. Visitors claim to hear the laughter of children, quickly morphing into chilling screams. Cold spots, sudden drops in temperature are a constant. Shadows move at the edge of your vision. Disembodied voices pierce the silence, whispering your name, drawing you deeper into the heart of the manor. To step into Blackwood Manor is to step into the heart of fear itself. Some dismiss Blackwood Manor as nothing more than a crumbling relic, its stories exaggerated by time and rumour. But those who have felt the chill down their spines, who have heard the whispers in the dead of night, know the truth. The Blackwood Manor isn't just a haunted house, it's a warning, a testament to the darkness that lingers within us all. It's a challenge to the skeptics, a dare to those who believe they have stared into the face of fear and emerged unscathed. The sun has set now, swallowed by the horizon, leaving the Blackwood Manor shrouded in darkness. The shadows have grown longer, bolder, and somewhere deep within the decaying walls, a cold wind stirs, carrying with it the laughter of a child and the scream of a soul forever trapped. Remember this when you think of Blackwood Manor. You may enter freely, seeking thrills or seeking answers, but be warned, the house always wins.